just got in a 2013 Volkswagen Tiguan. It's engine code CCZ, so it's 2-litre turbo. Car was involved in a front end crash just on the driver's side here. Broken headlight, broken bumper, bonnet's screwed. Still runs and drives perfectly fine though. I just drove it up the road just before pulling it in, giving it a wash. Yeah, no issues at all. Everything's still healthy, everything still runs fine. Panel wise, the car is basically perfect, except for the front obviously. On the tailgate down here, there is a little bit of a dent. Also on the rear quarter up the top, there's also another little ding. Other than that, panels are all perfect, minus obviously front end damage. Interior is very clean. It actually smells like a brand new car. It's crazy. I think the car's only done 127,000 kilometers. You can see over there. It smells like a brand new car though. Very, very clean, very well looked after. Has a logbook, full service history as well. Rear seat's very clean. Random spring in there, no idea where that's from. Door cards as well, also very clean. The front door, trying to open it is a little bit interesting because it does get caught just here on the fender. So it makes things a little bit interesting. That's alright, just don't open it all the way. I'll start the car in a second. Radio, gear shifter as well. As I said, the car is very clean. I got into it and I was quite shocked actually. It's probably one of the cleanest cars we've had in, to be honest. You can hear stereo works very nicely actually. Just started the car up. Do a quick walk around so you can hear it. I'll pop the bonnet where you can get a bit of a listen there as well. And then after that I'll put the camera behind the car and I'll give it a few revs. Sounds very healthy, it's a very nice engine. I'll chuck you behind the car now, you can have a bit of a listen and a look. Please visit our website for any parts that you're after, or give our team a call on 03 5943 9100. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.